terrorists organized as a CPC, a country that persecutes Christians. I was there. Stop playing the game of political correctness. Step up, take your rightful position as the leader of this free world. The Biafran people are ready to work with the United States of America to fight these terrorists. We are sending a message to the world from Washington, D.C. that we Biafrans are already fighting these terrorists. We are fighting them every day, and we want them to be on our side so we all can fight these terrorists.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just want to share this news with us. Nkere had emergency press briefing. That's what he called that. That's what he called it. He said that he's going to address Biafrans and pressmen and all that. So he said something that caught my attention. In fact, many of you have seen Nkere group. I mean his group with the argument. Oh, you said that you have declared Biafra. You said that you are not a nation. Where is your government? Where is your convoy? Where is your army? Where is your barrack? Right? In this video, this our brother says something that many of them have been using to attack COS, DPM, and anybody trying to call their attention that what they're doing is wrong. Not that you are enemy to anybody. I keep on saying this. I don't have anybody as my enemy. Mine is to tell you that what you are saying, what you are doing is wrong. Some of this that you guys are saying, what you are doing to me is wrong, and you are lying. Although they don't agree to that, but be it as it may, it's a matter of time. They will end up to accept the whole thing because you can't cover the truth. There's no way you cover the truth because the truth is always there. Always there. So, Nkere here said that Biafra, we have this new nation, this new nation that Biafra have been declared. That's his statement. That he's calling US to come and help and join hands to fight and liberate. Which is good. I'm not here to tell you that one must you call. I know that is good. Everybody wants to form alliance, right? Have to form alliance with anybody that can do something to help you. That's the essence of alliance. You have to get it. You cannot just do it on your own. We agree to that. But some of them say, you say you are not a nation. The man himself made it clear because you cannot cover truth all the time. No matter how you pretend that to suppress truth, it's a matter of time. It will surface to shine again. That's what it is. Now, before we go further, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think about what we are discussing. Hear it and tell me what you think. Am I the only one? I believe I'm not. Let's go there.
My dear President Donald Trump, we are listening to the video where he was encouraging the leaders of the Middle East to step up and fight against these terrorists, against these blood-sucking monsters in the name of religion. The Biafran people, we are already fighting against the terrorists. That is why we need support. We can't do it all on our own. As a new nation, Biafra is already declared.
Did you hear that? We can't do it alone as a new nation. Biafra has been already declared. And these are the same people telling you, oh, you cannot say that you say you declare Biafra. Your madam will say you are not a nation. Your madam will say you are not a new nation. Where is your this? Where is your that? Right? Let me take it back again so you can understand it properly.
The leaders of the Middle East to step up and fight against these terrorists, against these blood-sucking monsters in the name of religion. The Biafran people, we are already fighting against the terrorists. That is why we need support. We can't do it all on our own as a new nation.
We can't do it all our own as a new nation. He went further by saying Biafra had already declared.
Biafra is already declared.
This is his broadcast just last night. And you see somebody like there's one idiot who I just saw his comment before recording the video, called Alozie somebody. You know, all these commentators. You commenting is good. I'm not here to show you not to comment. Please do comment, because that will help me to know how you think, how you reason about the topic of the what we are discussing. So your comment is very, very important. In fact, I cherish comment. I don't know how to explain this, but I cherish it so much because I don't have any, I must not hear from everybody. So when you put your comment about a particular video that I made about the topic, it will help me. Sometimes I learn something from comments. Like yesterday when I said that Master video was made on 2015 through the comment section. Okay, somebody put a correction to that. I said that it's not on 2015. That video was done on 2021. You understand it now? So nobody's a monopoly of knowledge. Sometimes you have to put your own take on that. I can also learn from you. You can also learn from me. Sometimes we argue. While we're arguing, we may pick some vital information from that. And but not this argument of this dirty people lying that, like, for example, today is Thursday. Somebody will say no, today is not Thursday, it should be when it's Tuesday. Something that is obvious that even people can see. That is not an argument. That one is to me, I see that as an insult. So that's not the kind of argument I'm talking about. People will somebody that will you just wake up and say CUS is the one burning Igbo land, and you know that kind of thing. But when you check a video of Master Manakan as 2021, you hear him complaining, talking about the killing going on in Enugu State. Then 2021, if that 2021, that means few months before his kidnapped, because he was kidnapped in 2021. All right, now let's continue.
We need allies that we all have the same common goal, that is to fight terrorism. This government is not a political correctness government. The breaking government is a government that is born out of necessity to fight and defend Biafran. Any president in the world,
this our brother is we are stretching your voice. I understand. You need to be bold enough. Like that is one of the advice they gave to him, because many people complain that the way he's talking is too soft, and not only that it's soft, sometimes he's not making sense. Why shouting? You understand? But the reason why I'm reacting on this video, I don't want to. You see, I'm skipping the video, right? I don't want to go through all the things that he said, because if I go there, we may not end the video easily. I just want to pick this point because it happened to be one of the things that many of them have been using to deceive the gullible. That no, you are still in exile. No, you are still in exile. You are still in exile. How can you say? Nobody's saying that you are not in exile, but there's a shift from that being in exile. Once you declare the Biafra, you are no longer stagnant. Remember how you started the Briggy from autopilot. So why don't you go back to autopilot? After all, it will make more sense now that you don't have anybody that some of you trust, apart from genuine Biafra that trust US and USB government. So you that are falling back to Briggy, you don't have any leader there. You don't have any leader there. So you should have said, okay, let's not fall back to autopilot. So anybody can pilot it. That was what it is. And Biafrans was not because of the name, or if he or just name. If he and USB, based on the structure and the foundation of Briggy, gave birth to USB. And the USB has been declared. All of you believe, only few of you in the push me at the Republic or citizen of push me. Once they push you, you don't ask question. After declaring Biafra, why going back to Briggy? You can use that instrument that you want to fight in Briggy to fight in USB then. See, that's what you think that will make you happy and all that. But the only thing is that the plan that PM had in using Briggy structure, you guys are not even following that. You want to create your own. And you can see the argument or the issue of map that we talked about a few days ago is even just a few hours ago they are writing on that. Oh, it is. So you say you're a leader of a Biafra, but you don't even know when PM posted a new adjustment in the map and all that. That's not the issue. The issue is which of them is correct. Because you can say anything you want to say. Anybody can touch anything they want to touch. Anyway, that is referred to them. The issue of some of them who don't like some of the followers of Briggy, Nkere for back Republic, that refuse to ask questions. They don't care to know what is going on. Their own is to talk because they want to talk. It's laughable. Anyway, thank you so much because I want it to be short. Like I said, I just want you to understand that this guy or this our brother have actually admit to that in which they all of them are denying and using that to attack and say all manner of things, all manner of nonsense. Here he said it clearly. You understand? Let us just play. Hear him.
It's against our freedom. It's against our self-defense. Finland government send your own defense to Biafran. Don't defend the Biafran people because the country called Nigeria are chaos. They are not defending us. They are against us. They don't love our freedom. That is the reason why we will defend our land. And our God who created us.
The Nigerian government is not defending us. So I told you I don't want to analyze or trying to talk more about what he's saying. I'm playing it for you to hear, not for me to analyze. The only thing I want to analyze here is that issue of nation, and definitely be really cleared because that has been the bone of contention all this while.
Love it. Our God wants us to defend ourselves, to defend our land. We encourage every country that loves humanity, that loves God, that wants people to live and let live. We need your support. If you can support us financially, if you can recognize us as a country, as a nation, can do that. If you can support us by your military, deploy them to Biafra land. Let them fight for us.
Did he say if you can colonize us? Did I hear that? Wait, you.
We embrace the security with happiness, with joy for them to defend the Biafra people. But if we don't get there, don't judge us when we fight against the terrorist country.
No, start from here.
And they still continue as Floyd.
I can't locate the place.
Focus, my fellow Biafrans, wake up, rise up, focus. Let us all fight these people. Let us all get our land back. With your advantage position, you can take a whole family of 10. Conquer and kill them if needed be. The battle must be fought in their homeland. The middle belt must be totally crushed. They are few and divided. We come to fight our enemy. If you judge your Chineke will not. It's time for you to rise up, wake up, stop complaining. Don't be a social media losers. Wake up. Pick up arms. Defend your land. I'm sending message to the entire universe, to the entire world, starting from the homeland of the United States, that the Biafra people must defend themselves. The Biafra people must carry on. That's only what we can use to defend ourselves. Then if you don't want us to do that, please, Donald Trump, my dear great president from America here, kindly send your security to Biafra. We will embrace the security with happiness, with joy for them to defend the Biafra people. But if we don't get there, don't judge us when we fight against the terrorist country that have come to kill us. Don't judge us when we come to fight our enemy. If you judge your Chineke will not.
If you see his face here. Okay. Like I said, let's continue. I just want to maintain my promise.
Because our people have been massacred, our people have been killed in millions. No country all over the world, starting from United States of America to where the world ends, have intervened and ask questions, why are these people being killed?
Which is true.
This government is not a political correctness government. The breaking government is a government that is born out of necessity to fight and defend their government. Any president in the world, whether from Finland to where the world end, that is against our freedom, that is against our self-defense. Finland government send your own defense to Biafran to defend the Biafran people, because the country called Nigeria are killing us. They are not defending us. They are against us. They don't love our freedom. That is the reason why we will defend our land. And our God who created us love it. Our God wants us to defend ourselves, to defend our land. We encourage every country that loves humanity, that loves God, that wants people to live and let live. We need your support. If you can support us financially, if you can recognize us as...
Did you hear? If you can support us, any country that can support us, if you can support us or if you can colonize us. So he's begging for colonization. Sorry, I don't want to quote him wrong.
Nigeria are killing us. They are not defending us. They are against...
Nigeria is not defending us. They are against us.
They don't love our freedom. That is the reason why we will defend our land. And our God who created us love it. Our God wants us to defend ourselves, to defend our land. We encourage every country that loves humanity.
Listen very, very carefully here. This part. That's why I've been playing this to locate it back, because I just want to confirm if my ear deceived me or something. I just put it.
That loves God, that wants people to live and let live. We need your support.
Okay.
If you can support us financially.
If you can support us, then the next one is the key.
If you can recognize us as a country, as a nation,
if you can recognize us as a country, as a nation.
That if you can support us by your military, deploy them to Biafran, let them fight for us. So we stop funding our own military if you have problem with that.
Okay. The statement is that I understand what he's trying to say. Okay, I understand what he's trying to say. I'm not mocking him though. But this issue of recognition and all that is it sounds somehow. It sounds somehow. So it has gotten to the extent of begging white people to come and recognize us if they don't want and to fund us, if they don't want. So I will not be recognized. You can see it now. Okay, the problem is that when it's okay now, it's better when white people recognize our people than what is going on. Who actually are we free at the moment? Somebody is recognizing us, of course. Is it because of the Fulani? Our own people are the one enabling that. Which somehow your role is part of it. Because had it been that, had you just give your service like that, you love freedom, like you claim after declaring Biafra, and come together with Biafrans and pursue one goal. Forget about this banter creating story that does not exist and painting it as if and making it look like it exists to deceive people. Because most of the things, like when White Soldier was saying that you did this, you did that, you are also Nkere, you know that she's not saying the truth. Do you understand? So these are the things you need to understand. Okay, I just want us to. So my people, I just want us to go through those things. I don't. You can see I don't want to go deeper analyzing this. But if I see their group come here to my commission, if they come here and start making comment like, "Oh, this," then I will revisit this video broadcast. So please, I don't want to raise any dust. To my own is just I just want to call your attention for you to know that thing that you guys have been using to insult people, that even your ATM is in line with what we have been saying. Anyway, God bless you and make sure you like the video. I want to hear from you. God bless you and take care. Bye bye for now.